Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today unboxing challenge. So 10 minutes ago the delivery from DHL was coming. Guy from Serbia, this is my game which was released last Friday, The Last of Us 2 for PS4. And I played the first time and I said okay, I have not much money left, so I used monthly installments. In Germany you can order things, if you have not all the money amount at once, you can pay it in monthly installments from 1 to 12 or 24 rates. Pay as longer the installments are, then you pay maybe 10 euros per month only instead of one time 70 euros. So let's see, unbox it. I have to show the ID because it's not allowed to play if you're 16, 17, you must be 18. Let's unbox it. Or you can do it without a knife. It's a great game, will large. For sure next year I will buy the PS5. The PS5 you can play all the PS4 games too. Oh, there it is! Oh my god, there it is! Look, and I'm not allowed to show it on YouTube because you have to take permission from the brand company of this game, and without the permission you will get trouble if you will scream it let's play. So you can make it for let's play if you're a famous let's player with much viewers. In Germany you have 4 good famous let's players: Gronk, Sarasa, Keyshore and the Zorbus. They're really great, they have the allowance and they always get the new games for free and can show it for. So maybe after 2 years or 1 year I can show it to you. This is Ellie. The first part she was infected by in the first part it was a virus around and she was the only girl who was immune against the zombie virus. Yeah, and that's great game. The first part she was 14, now she's 18 I guess, so she's grown up. On the picture here, this is her girlfriend, so she's lesbian. Before she was with a boyfriend, but she quit up with him. And that is. So I will make off this. Come on. Okay, that was too much. Unboxing, there it is. It's 2 discs, 1 disc data for installing, so it's really much high on data. Maybe the PS4 is really getting louder, I heard. It's so big this game that you can hear the PS4 will be getting loud. So there it is. Data disc and the play disc. Really nice. When I ordered from the big fashion store Otto, O-T-T-O in Germany, and they said it will be delivered 5 till 8 days, and I ordered on Saturday, so Sunday it's closed, so it's not counting, so it means Monday, Tuesday. So it took 2.5 days, and before they said it can be take for delivery 5 till 8 days, and now I got it earlier. I'm really happy. So thanks for watching everyone. Have a nice day. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I was in the grocery Netto, a cheap one, so you can so there I did my weekly buying. Oh, it's too much out here, shaved. Oh, not bad. This side not. Normally I can make a better style, so let's see what I bought. So, unpacking supermarket buyings. So, some drinks. All in one I paid 45 euros. That's the most I can buy in 1 week. Not more. Tomato mark for pasta sauce, tomato sauce. Other vegetables. Also have left. I have much left here, but I thought, now come on, let's buy more. Then milk. Milk. Then soap. Really good. Then 3 bottles beer. You know it from the last vlog. Tannenzäpfle from Black Forest. Then 3 bottles Coke Zero. That's enough for 2 weeks what I bought today. And bottles of water, Gerolsteiner, 1.5 liter. I have 6 bottles left here at home, but I think when I go to grocery I can buy 1 or 2 bottles. So this was the first part. Now the second part. Some lemons also I have here. Same with limes. Then for Spülmittel for washing dishes. Extra I have already at home. Then this was some lotion 30, the last one, a little cheaper than normal, and 20. I have to wash it, it's a little bit dirty. Then onions will be cheaper today. I bought. So sometimes they go lower with the prices. So what we have next? Broccoli, frozen. This is for the toilet cleaning by Spalding, cheapest one. Some wax for the hairs. Fishy sticks. Then Bratwurst, €3.99, those 8. Leberkäse, you know it from my home cooking. Then Greek style chicken, sliced. And the small pork schnitzel. Really good to do and fast to do. Really yummy. And sure, because I love potatoes, 2.5 kilo potatoes. Yeah, really good. So that was all. Because I have to look for the money. So, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, bye bye.